Hi, my name is Jeffrey Chen, and I am a senior from Tharmbar High School. Together with my team, Jessica Wang and Natalie Nyong, we have put together a design for a wheelchair traveling mechanism for the Makeable Challenge.
So this is my grandpa, Peter, and for many years he has been struggling to walk, and as I see him struggle, I knew I had to do something about it, which is why for this competition, I wanted to design a wheelchair hand drive lever to make his life easier so he could gain back the independence that he had lost. I want to do everything I can to show how I care about him and how I wanted to make his life as comfortable as possible. Grandpa, what was difficult in using a wheelchair?
I'm 70 years old, so I've been using the wheelchair, using my arms and hands. So it's very hard to push, and then sometimes it's twist my ankle, so it's very difficult to use this, so for a long time. So I need a better one.
Yeah. But how has our hand drive lever helped you?
Oh, it's a lot better, because of using my handheld, it's a lot harder. And then to climb up the hill, now I use a handheld, it's a lot, helping. And then, it's a lot better and easier.
So do you have any suggested modification for the future iterations?
Yes, when I'm pulling the lever, it makes a lot of noise. And with the track tension that I don't like. And even though this is a prototype, the 3D print might break easily and leave them.
Okay.
Our inspiration comes from existing online designs for do-it-yourself hand drive levers that help wheelchair users move with less applied force. So we went ahead and printed these designs out to assemble. However, pretty quickly, we noticed a few aspects that made the design inconvenient for different reasons. First, the design did not fit onto a lot of wheelchairs. The train consists of a spider gear that ideally snaps into place when inserted over the axle of the wheel. So we started a fresh CAD on the spider gear with fitting slots that insert easily over traditional wheelchairs. Second, the existing design was extremely heavy, especially for a 3D printed design. Therefore, we aimed to keep our project lightweight and easy for the user to push in order to minimize the strain required. Finally, the user could only move forward with the current lever, and we wanted patients to be able to move both backwards and forwards.
Our design reduces the force required to spin a wheelchair. Using physics concepts, we were able to keep the torque levels the same while decreasing force. As you can see in the equation, torque is equal to force times the distance at which the force is applied. So by increasing that distance, we were able to decrease the force levels in order for patients to apply less force while turning the wheelchair.
Our online inspiration. If we open it, you can see the planetary gear system inside. One problem with this design, we realized that the planetary system on the inside was overcomplicating the design and unnecessary.
Our product is designed with a number of unique features that make it superior than other commercial products on the market. Firstly, our hand drive lever is incredibly light, which makes it much easier to push than other products. Secondly, our hand drive lever is designed to fit on our specific wheelchair, accommodating our unique SME. This customization ensures maximum comfort and ease of use for the user. Finally, our pin design allows the lever to ratchet both forwards and backwards, which enables the user to travel in both directions.
Finally, to close, thank you Makeable for allowing us the opportunity to be able to help Natalie's grandpa in making his lifestyle more comfortable.